Hazrat Abu Salama reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, telling him, said, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came riding his horse from his residence in Sunh, dismounted and entered the mosque. He did not talk to anybody till he reached near Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. He wanted to catch the glimpse of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was wrapped up in Yemenite cover. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu uncovered his face, knelt down and kissed him, and then burst into tears and said, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my parents be sacrificed for you. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not combine two deaths on you. The death which has been decreed for you has embraced you. Abu Salama narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu told him, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu went out and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was talking to the people. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu asked him to sit down, but he refused. He again asked him to sit down, but Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu again refused. So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu recited Tashahhud, and consequently people came to him and left Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. So Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, to proceed, whosoever of you worshipped Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then undoubtedly Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has passed away. And whosoever amongst you worshipped Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, then undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is alive and will never die. Allah the Almighty said, and Muhammad is only an apostle. There have been many other apostles before him. Will you then, if he departs or be slain, turn back on your heels? And he who will turn back on his heels shall not harm Allah at all, and very soon Allah will recompense the thankful. Surah Al Imran, verse 144. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it was as if people never knew that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has revealed this verse before, till Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu recited it, and whosoever heard it started reciting it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1241 and 1242.